Pentair Mastertemp Heater exhaust noise. Would you have any suggestions for reducing the exhaust noise from a Pentair Mastertemp high performance pool heater? It is waking us up at night. Thanks.
So there's a couple possible things going on. That's a power vented heater, and likely you're having bearings are probably going on the power vent itself when that kicks on, and that's making a noise. That's likely what the problem is. A second possibility is you have an undersized gas line and it's not burning properly, and that might be creating a little bit too much heat inside the heater itself and causing that motor to get warm, and when it gets warm it might start whistling. That'd be the second one, less likely that one. Third possibility also could be building some type of a shed around, and not over the top of it, but something to redirect if you have any wind that might be affecting this as well. But short of that, I don't know what else to tell you. I'm going to guess that it's probably in the vent motor itself where you're getting a whining sound that's keeping you up. Would be the only thing that makes any sense to me. But there is also that chance that the heater is not burning quite hot enough. And in that case, you'd want someone to come out with a manometer and test the gas pressure going in and out of the gas valve to make sure that you're getting adequate supply. But again, less likely that, more likely the motor itself, and maybe even wind turbulence whipping around the heater. So those are the only things I can think of offhand.